Hi, my name is Ty. I'm the founder of BusyQA, and I'm here to tell you about The Leap. The Leap is a 7-month technical bootcamp funded by the Ontario government. We're looking for 30 students from the Black Canadian community from the ages of 19 to 32 that would accompany us on this 7-month paid bootcamp, where you learn the latest tech skills for about 3 months. Then you have 3 months on-the-job experience as well. And the final month will be towards your career workshop and getting you ready to land a job. This is a one-of-a-lifetime opportunity where you get free education, and you also get paid to learn, and you get paid to work in an innovative startup company in Canada. Go on the website, apply today. We're going to be starting very soon, and there's no better way to make you more independent and give you the career break that you deserve. Join us today.